Good morning, kanya tayo amin. So, in behalf of our Regional Executive Director, we welcome you and we are appreciative to the City Government of Baguio for conducting this activity. Di ko na natatay, oray nunal pasan si October kami ti Livestock and Poultry Month. So, ito tayo pa man Livestock and Poultry. Di ba, ikaw pa ito ko. Ikaw pa ito na po eh. Okay. Actually, this week, the Arability Livestock Program, we are currently establishing our strategic planning for the next 3 years. Di may sakit kitan may anya kay tikwa product livestock and poultry products or commodity tikwa ti per province and per city. Tatan Bagyo kitan may anya kay para ti Bagyo. So pagsangkot ko datay pagkita ket mano nga buti ada ti kwa na ti display na ti honey beekeeping ada ti manok ada mo lang dari table eggs so ada pa ti rabbit so hanya maawa ng ti Baguio in terms ti contribution na and opportunities for livestock and poultry. So the Aramitan me we will be allocating the more budget tatala budget for the city of Baguio for us livestock and poultry farmers. This year alone dati intot mi nga budget or project worth 2 million chicken multiplier farm project for the city of Baguio to be established hopefully by December. Tapno da kayo ang panmanok, kailangan yung T-stocks, iti pagalan yun dun. So, purpose na din nga project. Okay? And then hopefully next year, all our proposals, especially dagito'y beekeepers, di ka kanwa tayo beekeepers kasi Baguio actually, may saka doon ti beekeepers, and pati rabbit racers, we will be proposing projects for these commodities tapno ka mas manay na yun pa and then no dagito'y naka-establish no nya pa iti may tulong tayo kinyada. So once again on behalf of the Department of Agriculture, thank you and good morning.